remote work is the Azure AD App Proxy. If you're not familiar with this, this is one of my favorite features of Azure AD Premium. And that allows us to publish on-prem applications to the internet without needing to set up inbound email or inbound connectivity. Okay. So what that means is that the security team is going to love it because we don't have to have incoming connections directly from the internet to your network. And it integrates with Azure AD for single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and you don't have to also be on VPN. So we've done a bunch of these in the last month. There's some really nice value that comes from this, and it works really well for most of the cases. The other thing is some information that Microsoft has published recently. They've actually published a lot of stuff. This reference link I've got in the slide deck here has really good information about some VPN configuration, recommendations for Microsoft on that. So if you are dealing with remote workforce, you are having them VPN in, then you definitely want to take a look at this. It talks about the ability to continue to route that traffic to Microsoft versus the on-prem and optimize that.